Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a e-file to share with you. This was sent to me by a seller on Amazon. And before we unbox it and I show you the goodies inside, let's just talk for a second about this Amazon box that came. How cute is that? It's My Little Pony. I've never gotten like a special Amazon box before where they had like characters on it. And I think they did this before like a couple years ago with like maybe like Nintendo or something. I don't know. But the box is adorable. My daughter went nuts. Thought it was for her. She's like, what's in the box? I'm like, honey, it's not My Little Pony. I'm sorry. But the box is cute and I'm going to let her have it. So she's excited about that. Kids, I tell you what. Anyways, let's talk about this little e-file. So, like I said, this was sent to me by a company from Amazon. This is the company's name. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I don't want to butcher it. It's Kredioo. Maybe it's, no, I'm not going to even try. Okay, so all the information for this will be in the description box. So if you want to go check it out, it'll all be down in there and you can click the link and go check it out on Amazon. It ships from Prime, so you'll get it pretty quickly. Let's unbox this baby. Okay, so this unit comes in two colors. It comes in a like silver color and a pink color, I believe, or it might be a rose gold-ish color. We'll see. I think that's the one that I have. And it retails for around $41 on Amazon. I do have a discount code for you guys, so check that out in the description box as well. And I'm not sure if it's 20 or 15% off, but like I said, check all the details in the description box. Yes, it looks like I have the pink one. Let's see if it's pink or rose gold. So this is the little packaging. Super cute. This is a really neat looking little drill. Look at that. I've never seen one like this before. So this is your little instruction manual here. Shows you all the parts, all the important things that you need to know. Let's get the base unit. Oh wow, it's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. Very lightweight. Oh, it's so cute. So it's a pinkish shimmery color. It's not really rose gold, but it's really cute. So it's very lightweight. I'm really shocked at how lightweight it is. Thought it was going to be a lot heavier than that. Here is the hand piece. Let's check that out. There's the hand piece cord and the hand piece itself, all nice and bubble wrapped. Got to keep that baby safe. Oh wow. Ooh, it's really small, also lightweight. Oh, it's actually kind of tiny. Let me grab my other one here. I'll show you a size comparison. Actually, it seems smaller than it is, but it's not. I thought it was a lot shorter. It's not a lot shorter. It's just a little bit shorter. Yeah, and it's very lightweight. I like that it's small. It's kind of the same as my other Melody Susie. See, this one is a bit longer. Maybe that's why I thought it was so short. But it's a teeny little handpiece. Close to the same thickness as my Melody Susie Sparkle Pro. I like a smaller handpiece. That is personal preference. Some ladies and gentlemen prefer a thicker one. I like the thinner ones. So let me just plug this baby in here. So we got two ends which look identical. So just gonna see if that fits. That goes in there, and then this will go in the motor part. Okay. And then it just fits right in there. Oh my God, that's so cool. How cute is that? The whole unit itself is very lightweight. Okay, let's see what other goodies we got in the box here. They sent a bag of sanding bands. They seem to be like either a medium or coarse. We've got some little like rubber, I don't know what they're called. I'm going to call them rubber stoppers. They're to go on your drill bits. I will show you here to help prevent dust from getting into your drill. And then, of course, we've got a little bit kit here. Nice little diamond bits. And then we'll just grab one out here. And I'll show you this little goodie. So you just slide your bit in like that, and then that helps keep the dust from getting in your handpiece. So it looks like this handpiece does not have a twist and lock. I prefer twist and lock over like the ones that you just slide in. I feel a little worried that it's not as secure, but it fits in there nice and tight. I've never had one like this before because I prefer the other ones. So, but that just slides right in. I'm gonna put that to the side and we'll play with that in a second. Let's see what else we've got here in the box. I do like having these little things here. Okay, here is our plug. And I believe, yep, that is everything. So let me get this undone and get all this stuff out of the way, and we'll plug it in and see how she works. All right, pretty decent length of cord there. So let's check this baby out. We've got, yep, there's the on-off on the side. We've got a forward and reverse at the top. Let's just turn it on and see what she sounds like. That is full speed, super quiet. I mean, extremely quiet. Compared to my Melody Susie, the latest one I got. This one is much, much louder. And it has like airflow that comes through the handpiece. So it makes it a lot louder. And then this one, super quiet. Not a lot of vibration at all. It feels really good in my hand. So I'm gonna get a tip and we're gonna try this out. Let me try the reverse real quick. I want to turn it down. Okay, is it doing it? There it goes. There's no indicator to tell you whether you're in forward or reverse. There's a little green light on there that okay, and then maybe when you're in reverse, it goes red. There it goes. And it doesn't blink like this, like you're seeing it blink in real life. It's just solid numbers. The camera, I don't know why it does that. It makes it look like it's flashing. But yeah, there we go. So green for forward and then red for reverse, it looks like. And then when you turn it off and you turn it back on, it's gonna go back into forward for you. All right. Let me get a different bit for this and we'll try it out. Okay, so I put some acrylic on a tip here and then I just put some gel polish over it and I just gonna try this out. So I got it all the way up. I think it goes to 30,000 RPMs. So let me get you a little bit closer and we'll see how it does with the torque and everything. It's going to sound a little weird because it's on a tip like this, so. Okay, so it did really good taking the polish off and a little bit of the acrylic. I'm going to grind into the acrylic a bit more now and see if we can get some of the bulk off. It's doing really good. The torque is really nice on it. It's not bogging down. So yeah, so far, that's really nice. It's doing a great job taking this acrylic off. This is not the best bit in the entire world. I do need to replace my bits. But this is the one I use most of the time for like my gel overlays and stuff. So this usually does gel. And I don't do a lot of acrylic, guys. I do mainly gel. So I think that this drill is going to do a great job with gel. I mean, it's doing great with this acrylic, so yeah. It's not really getting hot at all. It's doing a good job. I'm gonna just take and like shorten the tip now. I'm gonna cut through it pretty well. Not really having any issues with it bogging down. I need a better bit. So I noticed a little bit while I was using it, it did push itself in to the drill a little bit further than what I had it. So that's the only thing I don't like about it, is that it's not a twist and lock, that it just is an insert, and that I just don't love that feature on e-files. It's not my favorite thing. I'd much rather have a twist and lock, but like this twist and lock works really good, and it opens very easy, and then you put it in and then you lock it and it's not going anywhere. So yeah. But if that is the only drawback that I see to this at all, but it still works fine with it being an insert only. Yeah, it's not bogging down. It's doing really great. Let me raise this back up. When you have your bit on, even when it's pushed all the way down, and you put it in, it doesn't sit quite as nicely in the little holder. When you put your bit out, it goes all the way in and it sits really, really good. It doesn't wiggle at all. But when your bit is in, obviously, you want to be careful so you're not bending it. But it doesn't sit in there all the way, but still is fine. Yeah, so let me clean this up and I'll come back to you here in just a second. So pros and cons of this little drill, electric, e-file, whatever you want to call it. They call it an electric nail drill machine. Pros, it's really lightweight. It's got a nice length cord on it. It's got a nice thin handpiece, which is a pro for me. I like that. It is very affordable. It has great power and torque. It cuts through acrylic fine. And I think for doing gel, which is what I do mostly, it's going to be fantastic. Cons, it doesn't have a twist and lock feature, which is something that I prefer. Pro, it has a forward and a reverse. The dial gives you a digital dial, so it tells you what speed you're in. That's a pro. It clicks on and off, also a nice little pro. I really like it. I don't have many cons for it. Really, the only thing I don't like is that it's not a twist and lock. That's the only thing. So it works great. It's fantastic. Like I said before, all the links for this will be in the description box. It's on Amazon. You can ship it through Prime, so it'll get to you nice and quick. And I got a discount code for you. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, go ahead and do so. I don't get anything from you purchasing this. I have no affiliate with it. So that discount code is just to save you money. It's not helping me at all. And you guys know I'm going to give you my honest opinion on everything, if I like it, if I dislike it. So I really like, and this is such a cute little design. It's very, what's the word? It looks retro to me. I like it. It's cute, and it's a cute color, and it comes in 2 colors. So you can get it in a silver or the pink color. So yeah, it's a nice little e-file, and I think it'd be great for beginners. Super, super beginner friendly. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, go ahead and do so. Let me know if anybody's used this brand before, or if you have this particular e-file. I'd love to know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!